guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna try the new Maybelline mascara, which is Soul Curl Bounce. To try the new Maybelline mascara. Before starting this video, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. Makeup is done, so I just need to add some mascara. And here is the new mascara from Maybelline. I haven't opened it yet because I want you guys to see the packaging. I know you guys can go and see it at the store, but I feel like it's more, you know, like here it is, the packet. So we can open it together. Chose the color Blackest Black. I love my mascaras to be super black. I said before, it's called the Color Soul Curl Bounce. And one thing that I have to mention, tell you the price before I jump into my thoughts and ideas. So this was $10 at Amazon. I saw the mascara, I don't know why, but I immediately thought of the future. I don't know why, but the presentation transports me to the future, like the labs and all that. I don't know, it's because it's white and yellow, and I don't know if you have seen like in several movies when there's a movie that they're a lab or something. Yeah, the toxic sign. Thank you. The toxic sign. Yeah, that's the one. This says that it's gonna give big volume, bouncy curl, up to 24 hours wear. So it says up to 24. Remember, it's not promising us that it's gonna be 24-hour wear. It's gonna be up to 24-hour wear. And it says that it's a washable mascara, curl, bounce, brush, curls up every lash, providing big bouncy volume. From all the makeup products, I feel like I'm super picky, especially on mascaras. Why? I have no idea. I feel like for other products, give more opportunity to the products, like eyeshadows. Like one of my top favorite mascaras from all the mascaras that I've tried since I think I'm in high school is these two. So I'm in love with this one, which is the L'Oreal and this Million Lash Success. And then this one is the L'Oreal Air Volume Mega Mascara. My favorite too. This one, I only use it for my lower lashes. I feel like it works better for my lower lashes than my upper lashes. This one, it's from top to bottom. I like to use it. We hear the big noise. Let's open it. It feels so thick. Oh, you know what? It reminded me of really reminded me of, I just saw the movie what is it called? Apes. I was gonna say, like, he works on the lab and he take out all the how do you call those, like the products, the thing that he injects with.
Like a needle.
Yeah, but it's like in the bottle of metal. Okay, so anyways, after my whole explanation, which I don't know if you guys understood my imagination, like where does it come from? So here is the Maybelline New York, the Colossal Curl Bounce. You have these kind of dots that really remind me of the future, the lab, this yellow, the Wi-Fi signs, we're gonna call it, and that's how it looks on the back. It really feels big. Like, I feel like it's bigger than the L'Oreal and the other one. Like, I don't know why, but it feels much bigger. One has a 0.33 ounces of product. Now, the L'Oreal has, where is it? The L'Oreal has, 0.31. So this one has more than this one, and this one has 0.3. So here is the wand of the mascara. I thought it was gonna be yellow because here on the packet it shows us that it's yellow. So I thought it was gonna be yellow. It doesn't bother me. It's just what I was kind of surprised that it's not yellow. This is how the wand look. You can see that it has like a little curve to it. So this is gonna make, I imagine, the bouncy part for the lashes. And I just want to compare it with my favorite mascara. You can compare it with your favorite mascara. You can have an idea of what you have, what is the difference. But here is mine. So this is what I'm comparing from the L'Oreal. One from L'Oreal is much taller than the one from Maybelline. Obviously it has a different shape. Like the little hairs are more pointy. It doesn't have much hair as the one from Maybelline. We're gonna try. Oh my god, I'm kind of excited. I don't have a mirror. So now let's try the mascara. I already did on my other lash, on my other eye, so you guys will see. Job that will do this mascara. So it says that I have to go from bottom, really go to the root, to the top. Let me also do it on my lower lashes. Like, it's hard to show you guys the lower lashes and also see myself at the mirror. But like, I feel like it really gives me volume. Okay, so there it is. It kind of dries quickly. I don't know, but it definitely gives you volume. They're super black. We're gonna stop filming on the filming zone. I'm gonna start doing my stuff. So right now it's 4:01 the afternoon. I'll be filming like clips here and there during the day, maybe after an hour, after 3 hours, until I wash my face, so you guys can see how the mascara looks. For sure, like right now, like, you have to work or know how you want to work the one with your lashes, because it kind of dries quickly, and when it starts drying you feel like it's like a dusty sensation, and then that's when you know that you're not supposed to touch that part of your lashes. It kind of dries quickly. I like that it gave a lot of volume. Like right now, it really gave me a lot of volume. It's super black, like it says. I keep updating you guys throughout the day. I feel like a completely mess, but I forgot to update you. Right now it's like around 8:30, something like that. But I had a face mask, so that's why I feel like my makeup right on this part of the face, it's like all over the place. But this is how the lashes are looking. So I feel like they're the same, like it hasn't changed anything, and you can see the volume there and here. Oh my god, what do I, oh, it's because of the face mask. And there you can see the volume. Pretty good. I feel like they haven't changed at all. So yeah, so that's the update, and I'll update you guys later where the set is where I film. But yeah, that's how it looks, and it looks pretty good. Even though I'm gonna have I'm cleaning. Okay guys, I'm cleaning before Christmas. Well, when you guys will see this video, Christmas will be over, but yeah. I'm back. It's around 10:30, so like approximately since I started the video, in the 6 hours and a half. My hair is super messy. I have another shirt. I've been cleaning, laundry, cleaning, laundry, cleaning, and laundry, and more cleaning. And that's why I'm a hot mess. And so let's talk about the mascara. So the mascara, I feel like it's still intact. It hasn't smudged at all. However, I feel like the volume went down a little bit. It's not up like it was. It's like, I feel like my lashes are looking straight, but it just has a little bit of smudge. Nothing crazy. Excited of the packaging than the mascara itself. Is that a good mascara? Yes, I like it, but it's not like wow mascara, you know what I'm saying? But what do you guys think? Have you bought it? Have you tried it? What do you guys think? And I think that's it for this video. On the screen, my social media. I have Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and Facebook. Hopefully I look more presentable on the next video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.
Bye everybody.
Bye.